back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. You guys know how much I love get ready with me videos, and I know you guys do too. That's why I decided to do one today. I just want to like chillax, tell you guys about what's been going on, tell you guys a little bit more about just my life. And yeah, I'm just super excited. But without any further ado, let's get into the makeup tutorial. Alright, so first I'm going to start prepping my skin. The first product that I've been using lately, and you guys, I kid you not, I've been using this product on a daily, and I mean like every single day, every night and morning. I'm just hooked onto this product, you guys. Ever since I got it, I cannot stop applying it to my face. It has literally changed my skin for the good. It just looks so much better when I use it. This is the SkinCeuticals Discoloration Defense. It's this one right here. And also, as many of you know by now, that I attended the 2018 AAD Convention Center with SkinCeuticals, and AAD stands for American Academy Dermatology. It actually took place in San Diego. I'm just gonna, like, while I tell you guys like what happened over there, I'm just going to start doing my makeups. I attended that with SkinCeuticals in San Diego, by the way, who partnered up with me for this video. So thank you so much, SkinCeuticals, for partnering up with me. And by the way, I'm like addicted to this stuff, so I apply it so much. I apply a lot, which I shouldn't, but it's so good. I have to. So they were kind enough to fly me to San Diego for the conference, which is so nice of them. I love it when brands do that for, you know, influencers. They fly them out and they teach them more about their products, which I think, you know, it's an honor to go to these places, especially if you're just getting to know the brand and you're getting to know their products, which I mean, I'm all for. And the Discoloration Defense Serum actually helps with discoloration on your skin. I have a lot of discoloration around my mouth, and what the Discoloration Defense Serum has helped me is that I've noticed a big difference on my skin. It's just gotten so much brighter, especially around my mouth area. I've just seen this area very like brightened up ever since I started using the discoloration serum. Another thing that I've noticed is that I have more even looking skin. My skin has been looking more like healthier and more radiant. So I definitely recommend this product, which have some great ingredients like niacinamide, which is a form of vitamin B3. It also has hydrating qualities, which is good for your skin, and a few key ingredients. So now I'm going to be applying these SkinCeuticals HA Intensifier. So this is a multi-benefit corrective serum, which will help you in any way that your skin needs. You guys, I can honestly just talk more and more about these products, but we have to get on to the video. I apply this everywhere, even my lips, and I've noticed such a big difference when I apply this on my lips. It keeps them super moisturized, but this also acts as a primer to me. Like the stickiness, I love sticky primers. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like when I use sticky primers, my foundation seems to stay on way longer than when I use kind of like a soft finish or like a velvet finish, you know what I mean? But yeah, you guys, I highly recommend these products right here. They are more on the pricier side, but they work. Like, I'm not gonna recommend you guys something that doesn't work, you know what I mean? I'm always that kind of person that I would rather invest more on skincare than makeup product. That's my opinion though. A lot of you might think differently, but that's what I think. So now I'm just gonna smooth out pores a little bit with this YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer, and it's this one right here. I think I'm gonna buy the big size because I really seen that it blurs out my pores, which I'm all for. So now I'm going to be using my current favorite foundation right now, which is the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade Aruba. So I'm just going to be popping some on the back of my hand, and then I'm just going to be dotting this all over my face. So now I'm going to blend this out with my beauty blender. I'm just going to take this down my neck. So pretty much what I mean by like a AAD convention center is that this one was actually just dermatology. So there was a lot of cool skincare machines like LED lights for your skin. We got to see some and it was pretty cool, you guys. At the conference center, I met Dr. Sarah Sawyer, and she's a dermatologist, very known. She's in Alabama, so it was super cool to meet her. But she taught me so much about skincare and so much about how important it is to take care of your skin now. So I told her a little bit about how my skin was and stuff, and I told her that I have really bad discoloration around my mouth, and she told me that the Discoloration Defense Serum really helped her clients. She's recommending it, so I have to use it. Thank you, Dr. Sawyer, for, you know, getting me hooked on that product. Now I'm going to do my concealer. For today's concealer, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. But all in all, you guys, it was such a great experience. This trip has taught me to really focus on my skin first and then makeup, because the better your skin looks, the more confident you're going to feel. So if you guys are interested in any of these products, I will have a link down on my description box. But yeah, you guys. So now I'm going to take the same concealer but in a different shade. This is in the shade 3W, and I'm just going to be Now I'm going to be applying the Smashbox Studio Fix Shaping Stick. I am in the shade 302. No, 3.2, sorry. So now I'm just going to be blending out my cream contour. Me and my boyfriend are going to be filming a very exciting video very soon. I'm not going to tell you guys just yet. I want to be a little surprise. We've been planning this for almost like 2 weeks now, and we're gonna do it, you guys. You guys probably don't know this, but me and him have been going out for 8 years, you guys. Almost a decade. I'm really excited for the month of April. I'm gonna be doing a lot of things with my channel and just in general. Like, I'm gonna be busy, not gonna lie. I'm not gonna travel so much, which, I mean, thank God. That's because I get really bad anxiety when I travel alone, and usually when I travel by myself. I don't travel with anybody else, because sometimes I can't take like a +1, or sometimes it's just a very quick short trip that, you know, there's no reason to take a +1. But for me, I feel like now that I like noticed, I do need someone there with me, like to guide me and to tell me what to do. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty crazy. So I don't know if you guys have heard about this like little spray. I have it right there. It's like the side of my bed. I got it at Bath and Body Works, and it's just like a spray that just makes you like calm your mind. It makes you very sleepy. I will link it down below, but it really does work, you guys. Like, I kid you not, I sprayed it. I let it soak in for a little bit, for like a minute. I remember just going on my phone and, you know, just lurking and going on my Instagram and stuff. I don't remember like putting my phone away. I'm not even joking. It really does work, and I'm gonna link it down below. I also let my sister try it, and she also felt the same way. The whole day we were just drowsy. By the way, I don't know if you guys want me to do another video with my sister. I would love to do a video with my sister again. Let me know any ideas that you guys want me to film with her. Just let me know down on the comment bar what you guys want to see from me and her. By the way, I'm applying Becca Ipanema Sun. You guys are gonna laugh at me. Like, I don't even know if I should tell you guys this. I don't even know if it's like too TMI, but I'm gonna tell you guys anyways, because I deserve to get laughed at, not gonna lie. So today, obviously I'm filming. You can get ready with me. but I wanted to do this specific look that I have up on my Instagram already. And on that picture, I'm wearing red lipstick. So I'm wearing the Dose of Colors. Well, now it's Bittersweet, now that I looked at it. But you guys, I thought it was Coral Crush this whole time. Dead ass looking for that specific shade. Like, I found the correct shade that I'm using in that picture. It's the Dose of Colors Bittersweet liquid lipstick, and my ass was looking for Coral Crush. I looked everywhere in my room. I did such a mess. Like, I called my boyfriend and I told him like what was happening and stuff, and you guys are gonna laugh, but I cried. I cried because I couldn't find freaking lipstick. I was seriously like in tears. I was like, no, but I have to do this video and I want the liquid lipstick now. Like, I was being so like dramatic. He was just being so sweet, you guys. He was like, what's the name of the lipstick? And I was like, it's called Coral Crush from Dose of Colors. And he was like, okay, I'm gonna try to see if Ulta has it. And he freaking called every single Ulta in Vegas, seriously, and a lot of them were like, no, we don't have it, it's out of stock or whatever. I guess it's a very popular shade, but I just found out that it was never Coral Crush, you guys. It was Bittersweet this whole time. Like, in the picture I did put, now I changed it, but I did put Coral Crush on the description box. But this whole time it was Bittersweet. I never ever had Coral Crush. I don't know where I got that name from. I think I went to the website, and sometimes I just guess at the top of my head. But you guys, wasn't that super sweet of him? For today's look, I'm going to be using the Morphe, the 3502 palette. I remember I did use this palette, so I'm going to be using it today. The first shade that I'm going to be taking is this color right here, and too bad they don't have names. So the next shade that I took was this shade right here, and I just apply this on the outer corner. I didn't blend so far up, kind of like kept the color on the outer corner like this. So with a different brush, I'm going to be taking this Morphe M441 and taking this color right here in the palette, and I'm going to do the same thing. So we're kind of like layering colors together, marinating them. Don't take this color so far up, and then going back again with your blending brush and blending any harsh lines we have. And one color that the Morphe 3502 doesn't have, well, kind of similar, but it's more reddish. I'm going to be taking the Sassy CNS palette from Dose of Colors, and I'm going to be taking Brassy. It's this color right here, and I'm just going to be applying this kind of like everywhere. What I am going to do is apply a little bit of powder on the lid, and I'm like making a bone shade. So the number one eyeliner that I absolutely recommend to anybody that just loves obviously the felt tip and also very, very matte, I recommend this eyeliner from the Balm. This is the Shwing liquid eyeliner, and this eyeliner is so matte and black. You guys are going to be obsessed with it. Like, trust me when I tell you to go pick this eyeliner up, and you guys are going to see why. Alright, so now I'm done with my face. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. Star of the show is this Dose of Colors in Bittersweet. This color is definitely a spring color to me because it's kind of like a coral orangey red. All right, so now I'm gonna be doing my hair. As you guys can see, my hair gets really frizzy when I get out the shower. Let me just part it down the middle because I always do that. So now I'm going to be using this 1-inch wand. This is from Bellamy. I think this is the collaboration with Gravy Girl here on YouTube. So yeah, I'm just going to curl this section first. Is it Gravy Girl?
Isn't it Graveyard Girl?
Graveyard Girl.
You said Gravy Girl. You're lucky I'm here. You almost said
Graveyard Girl. I said Gravy Girl.
Did she do a collab with her and she came out with
and
like
Bellamy.
This... Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm so stupid. My sister and Nettie is here, so... Oh, and also my other sister. There's just a bunch of girls in this room right now.
Oh, bitch. I'm just kidding.
Alright guys, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope y'all enjoyed it, and I also did my hair, but this is how the hair turned out. This is first day hair, so that's why my curls look super loose. I'm sorry about that. I'll do a separate video showing you guys how I do my curls, so stay tuned for that video. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.